This is the L6014W model larder fridge from Lec, which is a standard under-the-counter fridge. As you can see, it's a straightforward layout inside with two safety glass shelves and the salad crisper at the bottom. The shelves have varying heights to make sure that you can fit in anything that you want to in the main body of the fridge, with a standard manual control to adjust the temperature and a nice big bright light which gives plenty of visibility inside. Two door shelves aren't repositionable, but there's plenty of space in them. They're a good wide depth to fit everything you need. The bottom shelf is taller as usual. The 2-litre soft drink bottles don't quite stand upright. We need to leave them at a slight angle to make them fit in the door, but obviously you can lay them down on the shelves. The fridge has 147-litre capacity, which is bigger than most larder fridges, mostly because there's a slightly increase in the height. It's actually an 85cm height, so you do need to be careful that it'll fit under your own counter. But with that increased height comes increased space. With 147 litres of capacity, you can get plenty of day-to-day shopping inside. The fridge is an A-star energy rating, but a standard width of 85 centimetres means it fits inside a normal fridge space. It's a nice bright standard fridge to use, very straightforward, just a plug in. There's no plumbing obviously because it's just a simple larder fridge. And the salad crisper has plenty of space. It's a nice deep wide fridge. To fit all your day-to-day needs in.